I remember how the country was when I was a little girl. There was food, medicine, animals, special places, learning culture. This waterhole is a special place. I grew up and I saw the Buffel come. That Buffel was brought in after the drought to keep the dust down and feed cattle. Now it's taking over country, causing lots of problems. Janpi Kura takes over everything. Janpi Kura and the good Janpi grow in the same places. Buffel grows faster and gets bigger with lots of seeds. It chokes the good grasses. It makes life hard for the animals and plants. When Buffel dries out, there's not much food left for native animals. It's harder to hunt kangaroo, emu and turkey. It grows faster than bush tucker and bush medicine. Walks are more difficult. It's harder to track animals. You can't see snakes. That Buffel is spreading to our special places. It's harder to take our kids out bush and teach culture. That Buffel grows along waterways. After rain or fire, and comes back quicker than everything else. It stops our native plants growing. It grows along roads and around communities. It's making more big hot fires, damaging country and threatening communities. The fires get right up into the trees. It's a real problem, but there's lots we can do about it. My son, he's grown up now. He's working with those rangers, learning all about that Buffel. We call him the Buffel Grass Warrior. He makes sure that his car and his swag and his socks are clean when heading out to special places. He's teaching us about Buffel too. It's a tough plant. It has deep roots, which help it survive drought and fire. One plant can have thousands of seeds, and the seeds spread quickly. Along roadsides, down rivers and creeks, and hunting tracks, Buffel can take over. We don't want this place looking like that waterhole. So when we notice Buffel in a new place, we get it if we can, or let the rangers know so they can get it, or make a plan for the bigger areas. We do our bit by keeping Buffel seed clean and not driving through areas with Buffel. Rangers use mix of fire, followed by weed killers and digging to get rid of Buffel grass. They do this over and over until Buffel is replaced with native grasses and other plants. We are learning from the rangers and making sure it doesn't grow and burn near our houses and community too. We can do a lot more if we all do it together. We can support rangers in their work. We can team up with other people to work on this issue together, like scientists, land management, shire council and community groups. We can ask our land council for more work on Buffel grass and teach our young people what to do. We can raise it as a real problem in our community. We can make sure Raiders and machines aren't spreading seeds. We can teach other ranger groups about Buffel, especially if they don't have much on the land, so it doesn't get out of control all over the desert. We can get involved with research and try new ways of removing Buffel. We can go to ranger exchanges and share our knowledge with other elders and younger people. We're not the only one dealing with Buffel. We can learn from each other and share what we know. If we all work together, we can get our clean country back.